Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lahari Lectures. In this video, you can watch notes on types of graph. There are various types of graphs depending upon the number of vertices, number of edges, interconnectivity and their overall structure. First one, null graph. A graph having no edges is called a null graph. Below example, we can see the A, B, C. There are three nodes, but there are no edges, so it is a null graph. Second one, trivial graph. A graph with only one vertex is called a trivial graph. We can see the vertex A. There is only the one vertex. Third one, directed graph. If the graph contains ordered pair of vertices is said to be directed graph. Example, in this directed graph, the vertices and edges are vertices A, B, C, D, E. Edges are AC, AE, BA, BC, BD, CD and DE. Fourth one, undirected graph. If the graph contains an ordered pair of vertices is said to be undirected graph. Below example, vertices are A, B, C, D and E. Edges are AB, AC, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DB, DC, DE, EA and ED. Fifth one, regular graph. A graph is said to be regular if all of its vertices have the same degree. Below we can see the regular graph. Sixth one, complete graph. If a vertex is connected to all other vertices in a graph, then it is called a complete graph. Below we can see the complete graph example. Seventh one, cycle graph. If the degree of each vertex in the graph is 2, then it is called a cycle graph. Below we can see the cycle graph example. Eighth one, wheel graph. A wheel graph is obtained from a cycle graph by adding a new vertex. That new vertex is called a hub, which is connected to all the vertices of cycle. Below we can see the examples of a wheel graph. Ninth one, simple graph. A graph with no loops and no parallel edges is called a simple graph. 10th one, connected graph. A graph is said to be connected if there is a path between every pair of vertex. Below we can see the connected graph example. 11th one, disconnected graph. A graph in which there does not exist any path between at least one pair of vertices is called as a disconnected graph. Below we can see the disconnected graph examples. 12th one, cyclic graph. A graph containing at least one cycle in it is called as a cyclic graph. We can see the cyclic graph example. 13th one, acyclic graph. A graph not containing any cycle in it is called a acyclic graph. Below we can see the acyclic graph example. 14th one, finite graph. A graph consisting of finite number of vertices and edges is called as a finite graph. Below we can see the finite graph example. 15th one, infinite graph. A graph consisting of infinite number of vertices and edges is called as an infinite graph. Below we can see the infinite graph example. 16th one, multigraph. A graph having no self loops but having parallel edges in it is called as a multigraph. Below we can see the multigraph example. 17th one, pseudograph. A graph having no parallel edges but having self loops in it is called as a pseudograph. Below we can see the example of pseudograph. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.